Hi everyone, we are back on Newbie Bite number 25, which is all about calling functions. I may have cheated just a little bit with all these screencasts of the newbie videos. We've actually already seen examples of calling functions, but today I'm going to show you that you can actually call a function from inside a different function. Let's head back to our 3 questions program and see what that looks like. Here we have the same program that we've been working on throughout several of the videos. I'm going to create a new function and I'm going to call this main. I'm going to add a docstring, and we're going to take all of this and move it inside the main function. So if I were to run my code right now, nothing's going to happen because I have moved all of my original function calls into a main function, but I'm not yet calling the main function. So I can come down here and with a single call, now my program works as it did before. Now, the main question is, why would you actually want to use this? You'll see this a lot as you start to create more complex programs. You're going to have individual functions that handle individual components, but then you want the entire program to run from the beginning to the end. So you can put all of your individual function calls into a main one. Now, there are some more Pythonic ideas to talk about, but again, that's beyond the scope of the newbie bites. I hope this was useful in illustrating that you can call functions from inside of other functions. Good luck on today's bite, and hopefully we'll be seeing you very soon with some brand new newbie bite content. Thanks, everyone.